Have you ever looked at your TradingView chart and felt completely lost trying to separate days, weeks, or even months? What if I told you there's a simple tool that can instantly organize your chart and help you spot market patterns like a pro? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable period separator in TradingView and why this small feature can completely change how you read the market. Welcome back to LutaMarkets, the channel where we simplify trading concepts and help you become a smarter, more confident trader. If you're serious about improving your chart analysis, understanding market structure, and learning smart trading strategies, you're in the right place. Now here's the problem most traders face. When you open your chart, everything looks continuous. There's no clear separation between days, weeks, or months, and because of that, you miss important insights like when a new trading week starts, where the market shifts direction, or where institutions might be manipulating price. This is where the period separator in TradingView becomes powerful. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to enable the period separator in TradingView, how to use daily, weekly, and monthly separators, and how to apply it to identify trading opportunities like inducement and market moves. Let's go step by step. First, go to your chart on TradingView. At the top of your screen, you'll see the Indicators button. Click on it. This is where all your tools and scripts are located. Inside the Indicators search bar, type Daily, Weekly, Monthly Separator. You'll see an indicator appear. This is the one we need. This tool is designed to automatically divide your chart into days, weeks, months. Click on the indicator to apply it to your chart. Immediately, you'll notice vertical lines appearing. These lines represent thin dotted lines, daily separators, slightly stronger lines, weekly separators, solid, bold lines, monthly separators. And just like that, you've successfully enabled the period separator in TradingView. Now here's a pro tip. Click the star icon next to the indicator. This adds it to your favorites so you don't have to search again next time. Next time, just open your favorites list and apply it instantly. Now let's break down what you're actually seeing. When using the period separator in TradingView, you can clearly see each trading day separated, Monday to Friday, where a new week begins, where a new month starts. This is extremely useful because markets behave differently at different time periods. Now this is where things get interesting. You can use the period separator in TradingView to identify something called inducement. Let me explain in a simple way. Sometimes price moves in a way to trick traders before making the real move. For example, at the start of a new week, price might move up slightly. This attracts buyers. Then suddenly, price drops sharply. That initial move, that's inducement. Look at your chart. A new week starts. Price makes a small push upward, then reverses and drops. That pattern becomes much easier to see when using the period separator in TradingView. Without it, it's almost invisible. Using the period separator in TradingView helps you understand market timing, identify weekly patterns, spot manipulation zones, improve entry and exit decisions. And most importantly, it gives structure to your analysis. Instead of guessing, you start reading the market with clarity. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video. Drop a comment if you want more strategy breakdowns. Subscribe to LutaMarkets for more trading insights. And if you really want to level up your trading, check out the next video where I break down how to identify market structure and smart money moves.